morning. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at an incredible speed. Today it is present in many areas such as communication, work, and daily life. Although this technology offers efficiency and innovation, it also creates serious concern for society. When people depend too much on intelligent systems, important human elements begin to disappear. This presentation argues that artificial intelligence has a negative impact because it reduces human interaction, increases job loss, and critical ethical problems. The real question is, are humans still in control? First, artificial intelligence reduces human interaction because machines replace real communication. When people use technology instead of talking face to face, relationships become less meaningful. For example, chatbots can answer questions although they cannot understand emotions. In addition, individuals spend more time on devices while they avoid real conversation. Are- As a result, communication becomes faster but also colder and less personal. Therefore, emotional connection weakens and social becomes more distant. Secondly, artificial intelligence increases job loss because machines can perform tasks more efficiently than humans. Although companies improve productivity, many workers lose their jobs when automation replaces them. For example, robots are used in factories because they work faster and do not need rest. In addition, unemployment grows if people do not adapt to new skills. As a consequence, economic stability is affected while technology continues to advance. This creates a future where progress exists but security disappears. However, artificial intelligence also creates ethical problems because machines make important decisions. When systems use data, they can infer the information is biased. For example, some algorithms affect eating decisions, although they are not always accurate of diet. On the other hand, people trust machines too much while they ignore humans' judgment. As a result, responsibility becomes unclear in many situations. This raises a critical question: who is responsible for these decisions? In conclusion, artificial intelligence has a negative impact. Although it offers many benefits, it reduces human interaction, increasing unemployment, and creates ethical concerns. When society depends too much on technology, these problems might become more serious in the future. Therefore, it is necessary to use artificial intelligence responsibly. Technology should support humanity, not replace it, because in the end, the future must remain in human hands.